we got a brand collaboration together.
I only got scared looking at myself. 1 second lipstick.
I'm really excited for Holi.
Look at her makeup.
Look at her face, my god.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am actually at Mahika's building right now with this tripod with my bag because we have to film something very exciting, which let me see her, let me find her. She's calling me and then I will tell you all. This sun-kissed look. Mahika has like really good sunlight in her room, amazing sunlight, so she can do all her shoots over here only. But I was going to tell you all what we are going to do once I would like meet Mahika, but I'm already in her house and she's going to change because why? Guess why? I'll tell you all. We are actually shooting. We're shooting for something, but that's not the fun part, you know. We're very lucky that we get a few brand collaborations and PR. Hello. I was going to tell that you have like the best sunlight in your room, like literally the best sunlight. So, but can you like, I was going to wait to tell the audience why I'm at your house.
Why are you at my house?
See, I was telling them that we're very lucky that we get brand collaborations and everything, but that's not.
My eyes are like literally not opening.
But you have to stay here for the sun-kissed look.
What point being content creator if I'm not able to stand the sun?
And now we have to face that for another hour. But we are here because we got a brand collaboration together.
Like, this is the first time we got it
we're getting
together officially.
Yeah, officially, like proper.
Yeah.
Because Moody's actually reached out to her for a collaboration and she didn't know what product, etc.
I had no idea.
And then one of my college
Senior.
friends, not senior, she's in my batch only.
So I've been telling everyone your college senior.
She's in my batch only, but she was in marketing. I was in finance, so she got in touch with me saying that it would be great if I could also join in on the collaboration and create a reel together because we are always on each other's feed.
And I got to know the products through her.
Exactly, like how funny. And also there are, no, I can't show that, it's too messy.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No.
Like this. We have clothes all over.
We have clothes all over the bed because
Yeah.
like we are doing various like
Multiple,
outfits.
yeah.
They are lipsticks by
You
the
can,
way.
I think, put the link of the reel once it's out.
Yeah, because it'll be out definitely
Yeah.
before the vlog goes
Yeah.
out. But it's basically like a lipstick collaboration.
We can show the lips.
Yeah, let's show.
So
Just look at how beautifully we have lined it up because it goes from one occasion to the other, like
That's
brunch.
the reel ka concept.
Yeah, brunch, work, blah blah blah, like to the night time, and this is like for wedding season. So we have like, and show the outfit also.
These are like
all the
like
outfits
lined
lined up.
up.
It looks like a proper shoot, like proper shoot.
crazy.
feels
Like we are doing it by ourselves.
amazing, and I'm so happy because I'll tell you why. Because Rads and Meg, like if you all know Radhika Seth and Meghna Kaur, we used to keep imagining that we will also get collaborations like how they get together.
And it was so crazy. It came out
It
like
came
out of the blue.
It was like
you had no
literally
idea.
impromptu.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get many more collaborations in the future. Let's start shooting. So we are done shooting the reel. Mahika is in serious mode because she's actually
I only got scared
But-
looking at myself. 1 second lipstick.
because such bright lipstick we have both put, but it's looking nice.
looking
I like
nice.
she's editing the reel. We're done shooting, guys. Like I found two songs. Okay, both of Selena Gomez, and they're trending currently. So we thought that we'll use them. They're also trending. So our reel should go viral. This deserves to go viral. I swear, I'll link it in the description. The transitions are bang on point. Matlab too good. I'm not overreacting. They're true, and she's in like work mode. She's seriously like editing the reel, and I thought of documenting this because it's a very cute special moment for us, and we shot in half an 45 minutes.
50 minutes to it took us.
50 minutes it took. We thought 5-10 minutes, but it takes time to like, because we changed every outfit, like we did 5 occasions for the lipsticks, so it took that time to change and everything. So now we'll edit it, send it, because we need to send it to the brand in like 10 minutes. Then we will go to her terrace and just take a few pictures or make a reel or something. Let's see. The sun is almost going down, but I really want to go to her terrace because I've come to her house many times, but I've never gone to the terrace. So yeah, I'm excited to go to her terrace. That's my main number one. When I came, I was like, I have to go to her terrace. You work.
I'm working on my
No,
phone.
you like to do something.
Lies, showing lies.
I'm not showing lies. She's genuinely working.
No, I really am working.
It's 7 o'clock and she's like, wait for some time, wait for some time. I'm just chilling around. I'm just like having some kaju. I'm just talking to her. I'm just running behind her and just giving her gossip, tea while she works because she's working. It's a working day for her. And she is
I'm
working.
wearing such bright lipstick.
Bright matlab bhadak, but it's not looking that bad though. We are looking nice. It's bright, but we're not used to it, that's why. But her mom's also inside, they're all working. And yeah, I'm just gonna like chill, and this video will continue into a few other days because these clips are pretty short.
I
But
wish
yeah.
we could collab on
YouTube, na? That would be so much
because
fun.
I have not filmed nothing.
But look at this. This it's from Moody. So basically, we told the brand name, but this is the lipstick line, Moody Drip. It's matte liquid lipstick, and I'm taking this shade back home. It's
68170.
Peach Prestige. But after this, I'm not gonna go home without going to the terrace and clicking a few photos. I wanted to click in sunlight, but now it's like dark, so we'll do some flash photography.
Who is going?
I kept saying terrace, and I did not vlog only on the terrace.
But we have pictures. You can just insert pictures.
I'll insert
Yeah.
pictures here of us on the terrace.
Yeah.
And we have, it was nice, windy, breezy. One day we'll spend more time on the terrace.
Yeah.
Yes. But now, just going back home. Oh my god, so I filmed like literally a clip of 5 minutes and I realized my mic was off. So I have to refilm and re-say everything that I already said. But this is a couple of days after the shoot and I thought that I could combine that and Holy Day. As you all can clearly see, I'm wearing white, which means it is the day of Holi. I just thought that I could combine like the shoot day with Mahika and our first branded collaboration together as well as Holi and just make like a really fun and nice vlog. But today is the 14th of March and it's Holi Day, and Holi is one of my most favorite festivals, like literally my most favorite festivals. It's so much fun. Dance, water, colors, everything combined together makes for such a fun time. And me and my friends Matangi and Akanksha are going to BKC at the MMRDA grounds for Holi. And Ritviz is going to be playing over there, so it's going to be so much fun. I thought of wearing like classic white because that's the color of Holi and nothing looks more cool than wearing white for Holi. But super excited. I just put on like a little bit of blush and a little bit of eyeshadow, minimal makeup just to take like good pictures in the beginning, and then we can just start playing Holi. So this is the outfit, very basic, there's nothing to actually show, but yeah, cute basic white shirt and black leggings and this bag that I've carried. I've also like carried this plastic phone cover so that I can keep my phone in the cover, it's safe, and I can also like take videos. And I am with these two and they're fixing their hair, Akanksha especially.
You told me that you will be like tying a ponytail or
I
something.
never told you.
She's not
I
doing it.
asked
She
you.
doesn't look like she's
I
come for Holi.
asked you whether you were tying a pony. Arey, so
She
my hair are very oily. That's why if I was tying a pony, I would look very bad. That's why
She
I have
doesn't
a.
look like she's come for Holi. Look at her makeup. Does she
Yes.
look like she's...
I saw a
For the
reel in
Holi
which they said you should put a little bit of makeup to protect from the
No,
color.
that was like just
Put oil on your face and sunscreen. No, I
and
saw another reel. I
moisturizer.
saw another reel.
Please.
Which reel? Her own reel? She
No,
would have
no,
made
no,
it
no, no,
seem-
really.
Yes.
Really, she said do a full face of makeup so the colors don't like reach your skin. But anyways, I'm really excited for Holi. How
Yes,
excited are y'all?
we are
Akanksha,
excited.
show your face also this side. Really show the color.
This.
So I don't know if you all can
It's
see.
very little though.
But she played Holi yesterday also in her
In
office.
office,
Yeah, and today again we're going to play Holi. All of us are in white,
Yeah.
so it's going to be lots of fun. We are like 6 minutes away. So yeah, let's see. It's very sunny outside. Like it's real
mad
hot.
sunny.
Crazy
It's
hot.
very hot. So, but I think when there's music and dance, we'll forget. We'll have fun.
That's true. Yes.
Guys, so we're standing in the line to get our tickets and it is so hot. It's been like half an hour that we've been standing and we are tired. We're sweating like crazy. The Holi party is happening outside only. Finally got some colors, got the band, water bottle, and now we're walking inside. It's really hot, but we're walking inside now. We have entered and this is the spot ready to play Holi. We are done playing Holi and we're just sitting here and Matangi is gone to, yeah, look at her face, my god. But Matangi is gone to get some food, pizza for us. It's really hot, like the heat is pathetic. It's making us 10x tired. If it was not hot, then we wouldn't get this tired, but it's really hot. And look at this, what is this situation? Look at us, we are all in the rickshaw on our way to the station. Because actually, to be honest, my house is hardly like 10-15 minutes away from here. But there was Uber, and the Uber was 15 minutes away, and it's too sunny for the Uber. So we're all going to the station, and we'll go on this side, I'll go on the other side. And how was Holi? The end was epic. The last 45 minutes were the best. The DJ was too good. Full Bollywood songs. Must. We had a blast. And
It was fun.
it was too much fun. Too much fun. And so good. Yeah, and that's it for the video. That's it for the Holi vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.